Go to Language in the menu bar and select all the languages you want to translate your Shopify store into. After successfully adding a language, the translation will start. When the translation is complete, click the Manage button to go to the Manage Translations page. Click on the store page you want to edit to go to the editing page. After entering the editing page, the machine translation results are on the right side. You can correct the translation and then click Save to save your edits. You can also quickly switch between sections using the drop-down menu at the top. If you can't find the content you want to edit, you can use the global search to locate it. After editing the translation, you need to click the Publish button to release that language into the live store and click Preview to preview the translated version of your store. Access your store's website, and you can see our widget. You can check the translation status by switching to widget's language. At this point, the translation of your current store is complete. If your store content is updated in the future and you want to automatically update the translations, enable the Auto Translation feature. Please note that only products and collections will be automatically sync. For other content, free plan users need to sync manually, while paid users will have an automatic sync from 2 to 3 a.m. daily. You can also sync immediately by clicking the Sync button. If you haven't enabled auto translation, any updates to your store content will not be automatically translated. You can check the number of items translated to confirm if everything has been translated. And you can click Translate to manually execute the translation process.